In capital markets, trading infrastructure is complex. Systems are fragmented. Legacy platforms are deeply embedded, and every integration feels like a huge project. And yet, the pressure to innovate has never been higher. AI, data-driven workflows, faster decision-making. But how do you build the future without tearing apart the present? That's where Unity comes in. It's Quod Financial's integration layer, a 20-year foundation that connects your entire stack across all asset classes without disruption. It is vendor-neutral, trade lifecycle-aware architecture that connects your entire stack into one seamless flow. Unity isn't just middleware. It actually understands your trades. It tracks orders and executions in real time, maps P&L, and normalizes data straight out of the box. With more than 300 pre-built integrations, you can connect what you already have, plug in new apps, and start automating without having to rip and replace your systems. Whether you're buy-side, sell-side, or managing wealth clients, Unity helps you move faster. You get clean data for AI, freedom from vendor lock-in, and the ability to automate workflows across every desk and every asset. Quod Unity. All systems, all asset classes, one connected flow.